All right, guys. Dan Rasim Sethi here from Pixeltests, and I have a very, very special guest, one of my first students. Let me invite Samiksha Garg.
Thank you, Jay, for the introduction. Thank you so much.
What was your achievement? How do you do it?
So I have been placed in one of my dream companies, Microsoft. So I'm placed at like as an SDE role in Microsoft.
Next level.
I would like to add this that if I can, so you people can.
What was your goal card?
Until date, I maintained this goal card.
What was the number Samiksha wrote on that goal card?
I think I wrote it like 1 lakh per month. So basically 12 lakhs. And Microsoft came with a CTC of 51 lakhs.
So I'm going to unmute everybody. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you guys.
Need a party also.
Sure.
Let's get our beloved Ravinder Gadak. And I also want to know what is the new hustle that you have done pertaining to at Pixeltests. Can you talk about that?
Really, I'm enjoying each and every course of the module, and Professor Panduragan's lecture. It is one of the most simplest but very deep. So all these things are really complementing, even though initially they may not appear to be. It's an amazing community, believe me. As we progress, it is beneficial to all and complementing to each other. Last month on engineering international workshop, end of the day they also mentioned of AI blockchain. So these are the key things in irrespective of any of the field. So once you catch that, and you can progress that.
Talk us about your journey. That's the number one thing, so that everybody can listen to that.
So basically, I am Midhansh Gupta and I am from Jalandhar, Punjab. And I am running my own IT company, Anthapagoda Private Limited, in which I teach young minds like the age of mind, like 12 to 13. It depends on the age groups, and I teach them coding. It can either be PHP, Java or Python. I can teach all of these. I have already learned. And I got one of the most prestigious awards, especially in kids. That is the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. The previous year only, the PMRBB 2022, in which I also got a chance to talk to our PM sir, Shri Narendra Modi ji. And we almost had a conversation for about 3 minutes. Thank you, sir.
What was this mindset shift you had, as soon as you joined? Talk us from the masterclass or later, what happened to you as soon as you joined?
Basically, after the masterclass, my mind was totally changed. Sometimes some people may criticize blockchain as well. I don't know why. Some people may join blockchain and Bitcoin. They just join them.
Pixeltests has got some of it being built in. There's a sweet spot of learn your stuff, make sure you understand the basics, and then apply it as quickly as you can. That was the reason of my choosing Pixeltests. I have seen Udacity, I have seen Coursera, I have seen Stanford, I have seen many of such. You are definitely aware of this, right? And one of the things that they do. I am a very applied science person. Okay, so I'll come to the context why Pixeltests, so that you understand where am I going with this. So basically, think of this, right? I've done my physics, which I didn't like at that point of time when I was doing my physics. I used to love math, but every time I used to do math, I used to always think how I'm going to apply it, not just the knowledge. Of course, linear algebra will be helpful, matrix algebra is going to be helpful, statistics is going to be helpful, modeling is going to, I understand that, but how quickly can I make it into an application? Apply those concepts, right? I feel Pixeltests has got some of it being built in. There's a sweet spot of learn your stuff, make sure you understand the basics, and then apply it as quickly as you can. That was the reason of my choosing Pixeltests.
Okay, so I'm hoping for data scientist job. Designing my own algorithms, and if I thought about a salary, then anything but above 12 LPA is great. At present, I'm preparing for my interview
20 lakhs per annum is fine with me. I wanted to become a person who will be able to lead the teams of who has been the teams which are working on AML as well as data science related projects. I feel there is ample scope and requirement for the professionals in this area. I can feel the future is going to be completely with AML and later AR, VR, the augmented reality and virtual reality. Every industry, every one has to work with these technologies. There is no other way. Or in a week, about 5-6 hours. What I liked more is like the way Jayant has planned the course. Not only he has not only just focusing on the subject, just jumping into the subject. He has been focusing on the overall development, personality development of the people, and making the people understand what are the capabilities, what are the traits, what is to be expecting, and the goal setting, and expect less, and giving back to the society. All those things are really very, very impressive.